To send money from Japan to Thailand, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, determine the amount you want to send and the exchange rate. You can check the current exchange rate on various websites or consult with a bank or money transfer service. Next, choose a method to send the money. You can use a bank transfer, a money transfer service such as Western Union or MoneyGram, or an online service like PayPal or TransferWise. Each method has its own fees and transfer times, so compare the options to find the best one for your needs. If you choose to use a bank transfer, you will need to provide the recipient's bank account information, including the account number and bank code. You can find this information on the recipient's bank statement or by contacting the bank directly. For a money transfer service, you will need to provide the recipient's name and location, as well as the amount you want to send. The service will then provide you with a reference number, which the recipient can use to pick up the money. Online services like PayPal or TransferWise allow you to send money directly to the recipient's bank account or mobile wallet. You will need to create an account and link your payment method, such as a bank account or credit card. Regardless of the method you choose, make sure to provide accurate information and follow the instructions carefully to avoid any delays or issues. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits and fees associated with the service. It is also important to consider the security of the transaction, especially when sending large amounts of money. Look for services that offer encryption and secure payment processing to protect your financial information. In Thailand, the recipient can receive the money through a bank transfer, cash pickup, or mobile wallet, depending on the service you use. Make sure to inform the recipient of the expected delivery time and any necessary pickup information. By following these steps and choosing a reliable method, you can send money from Japan to Thailand safely and efficiently. Always review the terms and conditions of the service and understand the fees and transfer times before making a transaction.